Well, in IELTS writing, remember one thing, there are 4 types of essay. The number 1 is opinion essay, the number 2 discussion essay, which is very important, and number 3 advantages, disadvantage, and number 4 problem solution essays. And remember one thing, writing is basically a very important module in which you have to write in a proper manner. Okay, so in detail you can watch my videos and in playlist of my channel Khuram Janjua official, you can watch the detailed writing task, which the videos I have covered all the topics. You can discuss that. But writing should be a compact whole. Compact whole क्या होता है कि आप there should be proper beginning, middle and end. And if we do not go for the proper beginning and end, you will not be able to write well. And similarly in writing task 1, there are 4 kinds of tasks in graph writing, graph with trends, comparative graphs, and process discussion, picture discussion, and number 4 is maps. So similarly in IELTS general training, there are 3 types of. Number 1 is formal letter, and number 2 semi-formal, and number 3 is informal letter. So hope you will discuss all these things in detail, and if you want to get the clarity and in detailed discussion, then you can go to my channel, and in playlist you can get the more detailed views of these the topics. Okay, it's all for today, and see you tomorrow inshallah.